While we all learn that the Earth is neatly divided into 7 continents, at least for now, a scientist from the University of Derby has recently suggested that the reality might be more complicated. The study, which focuses on the Greenland Iceland Faroes Ridge, indicates the discovery of a proto-microcontinent beneath the Davis Strait, a body of water separating Greenland and Canada that is still undergoing fragmentation. Although it's unlikely that elementary school geography books will be rewritten anytime soon, this new finding illustrates that tectonic plates don't divide as neatly as we might assume. The facts taught in elementary school can seem unchangeable, but science is dynamic, and our understanding is continually evolving. For instance, while you might have learned about the 3 phases of matter, or 4 if your school acknowledged plasma, it's unlikely that Bose-Einstein condensates were included in your 5th grade curriculum. And remember Pluto, it's no longer classified as a planet. These interconnected landforms are part of a larger geological formation known as Rifted Oceanic Magmatic Plateaus, ROMPs. According to the study led by Fethian and his team, they analysed a similar structure in Central Afar, a relatively young rift system in eastern Africa, to better understand the initial stages of how these structures form and to gain insight into the ancient geology of the North Atlantic ROMP. Central Afar represents the early stage of development of a specific type of oceanic plateau, a rifted oceanic magmatic plateau, the paper states. These features begin forming before continental rifting and evolve into extensive magmatic rift systems capable of isolating fragments of continental crust within the new igneous crust. However, geography textbooks aren't set to be revised just yet. It took nearly 30 years after Pluto's mass was first calculated to officially classify it as a dwarf planet. So far, the work of Fethian and his team offers compelling evidence that at the very least, the division of continents is not as straightforward as our 10-year-old selves believed